Hi, this is Sam from Electric Bikes Brisbane, and we are looking at the Riese Muller Packster 40 today. What the Packster 40 means is that this cargo area at the front here is 40 centimetres long. So quite often used for carrying a single child, dogs, groceries, a really lovely little car replacement because it's really not that much longer than a standard bike. In this particular one we have spec'd this with a child seat, so you can see the child sits in here. There's also this is so clever, a little seat, so that sits back and it's a 3-point harness and the child puts their feet down the bottom there, but when you want to use it for cargo, it just folds back up and you've got a nice neat little box. Now this also has a tarpaulin as well when you are carrying groceries and cargo. Now, as per usual, the Riese Mullers have spec'd these beautifully. Wide tyres, plenty of grip for the road there, lots of traction, integrated lights front and rear, also suspension on the front fork. Moving down the bike, you'll see there's also a suspension seat post, which provides lots of extra comfort. And speaking of comfort, in this particular one, we have spec'd this with the comfort kit. So what that means is you've got that super comfortable wide saddle and those swept back handlebars and extra comfortable grips. There is an adjustable head stem there as well, so you can raise it up and down when you want to, and Riese Muller even throw in a water bottle which has got insulated casing, so keep your water nice and cool. This one is single battery, powered by the very strong Bosch CX system, and with Enviolo gearing, so the internal gears, and a carbon belt drive. Very, very low maintenance. You can expect at least 15 to 20,000 kilometres without even having to change that. Also a rear lock to stop somebody from walking off with your bike, and a rear panny rack so you can carry extra goods on it. So a really lovely little ride, super agile and very, very useful.